Good morning. My name is Clark Cabono from Grade 10 presentation. Knitting needle. A knitting needle or knitting pin is a tool in handy knitting to produce knitted fabrics. They generally have a long shaft and taper at their end, but they are not nearly as sharp as sewing needle. Their purpose is to fold the long shaft holds the active and unsecured stitches of the fabric to prevent them from unrevealing, whereas the tapered ends are used to form new stitches. Most commonly, a new stitch is formed by inserting the tapered end through an active stitch, catching a loop also called a bight of fresh yarn and drawing it through the stitch. This secures the initial stitch and form a new active stitch in its place. In specialized form of knitting, the needle may be passed between active stitches being held on another needle, or indeed between true inactive stitches that have been knit previously. Yarn. Yarn is a long, continuous length of interlock fibers suitable for use in the production of textile, sewing, crocheting, knitting, weaving, embroidery, or rope making. Thread is a type of yarn intended for sewing by hand or machine. Modern manufactured sewing threads may be finished with wax or other lubricants to withstand the stresses involved in sewing. Embroidery threads are yarns specifically designed for needlework.